Hello guys, are you ready to level up your productivity game? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect out of office auto reply. Let's go. Hey, before we dig in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you can never miss another productivity tip again.
What you do is go to Gmail on your phone, your smartphone, click on it, click on the three dotted lines here, this one here, three dash line, click on it, go down, go to settings, click on it, scroll down, go to out of office auto reply, click on it, put on the button, like change that button. Put in your details. First day today, let's say the last day is 6th of October. You save it. You're starting your vacation today and you end it on the 6th of October. You say vacation. I'm just saying vacation message. You can put in anything here for the message, please. Or you can say hello. You go to message, you can say hello. I'm currently unavailable to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you. You put on the send to my contacts. If you want to send to your contacts only, you put it on. But if you want to send to everybody that emails you, but I would love to send it to my contacts only, I'll put it on and you click on save, and that's on period. Whenever anybody sends you an email and you are not available between today and tomorrow, between today and the 6th of October, that message will pop out for them. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more videos. Bye.